guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best smart home devices. I've made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the smart home devices in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify them when we reach 5,000 likes. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best smart home devices on the market right now. Coming in number 10, we've got the BOSE Portable Home Speaker. Compatible with Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant. Water resistant with an IPX4 rating, up to 12 hours of battery life. The BOSE Portable Home Speaker has Wi-Fi connectivity and the ability to work with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. You can choose the virtual assistant you prefer when setting up the device via a mobile app. Apple AirPlay 2 support is also on board. With Bluetooth connectivity and a water-resistant build, the portable home speaker is also ideal for use on the go. The product can last up to 12 hours between charges, and it uses a USB-C connector for replenishing its battery. BOSE also offers a convenient optional charging cradle for the speaker. Number 9. Ecobee Smart Thermostat. Compatible with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and the Google Assistant. Built-in smart speaker, 3-year warranty. Upgrade your current thermostat with the Ecobee Smart Thermostat, which uses room sensors to monitor the temperature throughout your home. Depending on the size of your living space, you can connect multiple sensors for the best results. The device's smart features include full Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant support via a built-in speaker and microphones. The smart thermostat also offers compatibility with Samsung SmartThings, Apple HomeKit, and the IFTTT Home Automation Standard. Coming in number 8, ARLO Pro 3 Wireless Home Security System. Compatible with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and the Google Assistant. 2K video streaming with 160-degree field of view. Built-in spotlight. The ARLO Pro 3 is an easy-to-install home security system that's compatible with all popular virtual assistants. It can alert you when its cameras automatically detect activity, and it can activate a built-in siren or allow you to contact emergency services if you need to. The Pro 3 setup consists of a base station with a built-in siren and wireless camera modules with a 2K HDR image sensor, wide-angle lens, built-in light, and sturdy magnetic mounts. The weather-resistant camera modules can also last for months between battery charges. You can expand your ARLO setup by adding more units. Coming in number 7, August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. Compatible with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and the Google Assistant. Compatible with existing deadbolts. Up to 6 months of battery life. The updated August Wi-Fi Smart Lock is compatible with most deadbolts, so that it can integrate just about in any front door into a smart home setup. We like that this gadget allows you to keep your existing home keys. The Wi-Fi Smart Lock Pro is compatible with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Google Assistant. A mobile app allows you to manage access to the lock, check its usage history, and receive notifications when someone opens the door. You can also grant access to specified people while you're away from home. Number 6. Philips Hue A19 White and Color LED Smart Lighting Kit. Compatible with Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant. Bundled Hue Hub can control up to 50 lights. Customizable smart button. This lighting kit by Philips supports a whopping 16 million colors, including 50,000 shades of white, allowing users to find the perfect ambiance at all times. The set is compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. The starter kit includes all the essentials to get you started: 3 bulbs, a connectivity hub, and a smart button. You can easily purchase additional standalone bulbs and add them to your existing lighting setup. Coming at number 5, Blue Air Health Protect 7470i Smart Air Purifier. Compatible with Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant, Germ Shield Tech protects against airborne bacteria and viruses. LCD color display with real-time air quality indicators. The Blue Air Health Protect 7470i Smart Air Purifier is one of the best of its kind. Its sophisticated filter setup allows it to remove microscopic airborne particles, as well as bacteria and viruses, at bay in more than 400 square feet of space. You can control the air purifier via a sleek smartphone, as well as with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. A larger capacity Health Protect variant is also available. Coming in number 4, Amazon Echo 4th Gen Smart Speaker. Built-in woofer and dual tweeters with Dolby Tech. Smart Home Hub with Zigbee compatibility. Eco-friendly design and packaging. The latest Amazon Echo is not only an excellent Alexa-powered speaker, but also a powerful smart home hub. It has a beautiful design and a surprisingly immersive sound, all at an amazing sub-$100 price point. Amazon offers the stylish fabric cover of the 4th generation Echo in charcoal, glacier white, or twilight blue. We like that the speaker is crafted from recycled aluminum, fabric, and plastics. Coming in number 3, ROBOROCK S7 Robot Vacuum. Compatible with Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant, vacuum and mopping capabilities, up to 180 minutes of continuous cleaning time. One of our favorite products of CES 2021, the ROBOROCK S7 is a sleek and quiet robot vacuum that can also mop your floors. It has sophisticated LiDAR navigation and room mapping tech, as well as superb cleaning capabilities. The robot can clean up to 3 hours between charges. In addition to voice commands, you can also control the ROBOROCK S7 via a mobile app. The latter gives you the option to select a room for the vacuum to clean. Coming at number 2, TP-Link KASA Smart HS300 Power Strip. Compatible with Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant. 6 power outlets, 3 USB ports, space-saving power plug with angled design. The TP-Link KASA Smart Connected Power Strip packs 6 individually controlled power outlets, as well as a trio of USB ports for charging smaller gadgets. Like all TP-Link products, the handy gadget is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. It does lack Apple HomeKit support though. The nifty gadget will allow you to keep tabs on the energy consumption of the devices it powers. Of course, as expected from a smart power strip, the product has built-in surge protection. Number 1. Apple TV 4K 2021. Apple A12 Bionic chip, 32/64GB of storage, 4K streaming, Dolby Vision, and HDR10 support. The latest Apple TV 4K is not only the best streaming player available today, but also doubles a convenient HomeKit hub. The feature allows you to control a host of compatible home appliances with Siri voice commands. You can access the virtual assistant on any iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Apple Watch, as well as by pressing a button on the product's sleek remote control. With Apple HomeKit, you can also control connected products by swiping down to access the command center of your iPhone or iPad, as well as the Home app. The latter is available on all Apple gadgets. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best smart home devices. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments, what is your favorite one? And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.